I know that you have worked with some very large companies, Disney Plus, Hulu, OpenAI, but I know you're making a shift towards catastrophic injuries or families dealing with wrongful death. Often, these are cases that other firms might turn down. When you're evaluating a case, what makes you say, yes, this one's worth going all in on?
It's a combination of events. One, it has to be catastrophic, and by catastrophic, it's either a death case or it is a permanent injury that is life-altering. So it can be a catastrophic burn, it can be a spinal injury, it can be a brain injury, it can be the loss of limbs, quadriplegia, paraplegia. That's that's where we start. So that's the first part of it. In other words, we don't do fender bender cases. I refer those out and don't handle those. Then, secondly, you look to determine, am I going to be able to obtain a recovery that is commensurate with the loss? And by recovery, you have to look and say, is the insurance either structured in a way that will um, have a meaningful recovery, or is the entity that is behind the cause of the injury financially well heeled so that if you obtain that uh, gigantic verdict, you have the ability to go collect it. And so there are a number of things you look at there. And when you say I've made in making the switch, that actually has happened kind of organically over the span of a 25-year period. It's just now become a much more significant portion of my practice that I'm looking to say I may look to do this full time and kind of push aside the other matters because I find it so much more meaningful to be working on a matter and help a party or a family that's truly in need.